Hi, my name is Quattro, inspector today, inspecting this Q5 for you. It's 2011. It is a bit noisy around here. So let's start with the bodywork. Bodywork indicates vehicle had previous body resprays and has been resprayed from top to bottom. There are blemishes, slight shade difference on this compared to this door and that door. It's very fine holograms. Bonnet as well, you can see some imperfections in it. It's got obviously 15-year-old scratches present, some small chips on the bodywork, some scratches, light hairline scratches across all the panels. Roof has been resprayed too. Rear bumper has got wear and tear marks visible, and scratches and scrapes on this side. This particular cluster is not particularly good. This LED is out. Some green stuff, moisture ingress on this section. Regards to bodywork on this side, again, loads of hairline scratches, various small marks and chips on this section. So it's on this section. So this side has been resprayed too. Again, hairline scratches on here. Regards to interior, it has heavy wear and tear marks on instrument clusters and dashboard and on all the seats. So it looks like we had a hard life, you know. So it's on in a boot area. Front tire is good, rear tire is cracked. Would be advised refront disc and pads. There is oil leak at on the front of the engine. More likely previous repair causes, but there is already drip coming from subframe area, so there could be also, it's hard to see, but oil sump leaking. There is excessively unhealthy leaks around here. They replaced vacuum pump, they had timing chain replacement, PVC valve replacement, so it's looking very unhealthy around here. So I also understand this vehicle is quite cheap, as advised by the seller. So obviously, more likely would reflect condition of it. I'm gonna go now for the road test. We'll see how it drives. Regards to front suspension, it is getting due one for a couple of link replacements, as there's no accessory play, but there's some of the top arms are cracked. One on this side, one on that side. The ball joint's getting weak. So is perishing main arm where the shock absorber mounts to the arm. So yeah, it is due, will need replacement at some point. Both this 15-year-old car. Overall, I would reconsider purchasing this vehicle. Thanks for using us.